So, the Comauo Ocean Galaxy Projector is basically marketed as a way to transform your room with moving ocean waves and a galaxy-style light show. It looks like the kind of product that's designed to create a relaxing atmosphere, but there are a few things the marketing may not emphasize. The biggest question is how impressive the projection actually looks in a real room. These projectors can look great in dark spaces, but the effect can be much less noticeable with ambient light, and the actual brightness and coverage can vary. I'd also look at the projection quality, controls, noise level, power requirements, and build quality. A product can look amazing in promotional videos while being much more basic in person. So, is the Comauo Ocean Galaxy Projector worth buying? It could be fun if you're mainly looking for ambient lighting, but I wouldn't expect it to completely transform your room like the marketing might suggest. Overall, check independent customer photos and reviews, compare the specifications with similar projectors, and make sure you're getting the features you actually want before spending your money. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more videos.